Hi everyone, Sri here. Every week I've been trying to write a blog post and publish it to the Mustard Seed IT website. But I've also been wanting to record videos and post it on the Mustard Seed IT YouTube channel. So I thought to myself, why not create videos and then use that as the basis for a blog post? And that's what this video is all about. In a series of videos that I'm going to kind of title How To with Microsoft 365 Business Premium, I'm going to show you snippets of things within Microsoft 365, specifically the Business Premium license, and how it can be of great value to solopreneurs like me and small to medium businesses. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little magic and take you to this screen. This right here is the Microsoft Secure Score screen for my tenancy, right? This is my actual account. And how do you get to Secure Score? You go to this URL, which is going to be on the screen, security.microsoft.com/secure score. And when you get to that, obviously I've kind of blown up the site a little bit, the web page. So if I just, zoom out a little, you'll see that my secure score is 80.94%. And it says that I have 49 items to address. Okay, regress means I've actually gone backwards. There's none, thank God. And there's a few that shows that I have accepted the risk. And that's partially because with those items that Secure Score suggested, I've actually taken other action. Okay. And so you will notice that that's the Secure Score. And there's the recommended actions. So basically, Microsoft is saying, if you act on this, your security for your whole organization will improve. Now, if I zoom out a bit further, I don't know if you can see it right here. It basically says your score and organizations of similar size. So here, Microsoft is actually kind of encouraging you by saying, hey, you've done a better job than others or other organizations of your size. So if you come to this page and you see that your score is quite low, right? Say it is 47, 48. That's likely because you haven't actioned or addressed many of these things that Microsoft is recommending. Now, please be clear that when you look at this screen and you see crazy numbers or really low number, it's very possible that you have actually not used Microsoft Intune, which is part of Microsoft 365 Business Premium, to actually onboard your devices to Intune and have Microsoft Defender for endpoint, again, which is part of Microsoft 365 Business Premium, that you haven't actually deployed that. And that could be why that Microsoft is not able to give you a proper view of your secure score. I will speak about Intune and Defender and all of those things in another video, but I just wanted to create this quick video to show you how you can actually very quickly determine how well your Microsoft 365 Business Premium tenancy is protected or not. I hope you enjoyed this video. I've deliberately tried to keep it short and to the point. If you have any questions about anything I covered, please leave a comment below and I'll get back to you. I will talk about other things like Intune and Defender and so on in future videos. I would really appreciate it if you could support me with a like of this video and a subscribe to my channel. Till next time, take care.